Hi, everyone. Have you ever wondered how to stay disease-free, keep a sharp mind, and maintain stable blood pressure for decades? Today, I'm sharing the secret that has kept me healthy for over 35 years. A special golden decoction made from simple ingredients found right in your kitchen. Beyond personal experience, this drink is backed by Dr. Eric Berg's scientific principles on blood vessel cleansing and cortisol management. Using just ginger, red onion, and garlic, we are creating a comprehensive immune shield. Let's dive into this powerful recipe right now. First, we start with fresh ginger. For this recipe, keep the skin on, break it into smaller pieces, and wash it thoroughly under running water. We keep the skin because in traditional medicine, ginger skin has cooling properties that perfectly balance the heat of the ginger flesh, creating a yin-yang harmony that prevents internal body heat. Now slice the ginger into very thin pieces. Keeping the skin intact helps balance its cooling and heating properties, maintaining a yin-yang harmony to prevent internal heat. This outer layer is also rich in essential oils and antioxidants that provide potent anti-inflammatory benefits. According to Dr. Eric Berg,
ginger is not just a spice, it is a precious remedy for the circulatory system. The active compound, gingerol, acts as a natural vasodilator, helping blood vessels relax to safely lower blood pressure. Furthermore, it helps reduce the stress hormone cortisol, prevents the formation of blood clots, and is regarded as the golden key to cleansing your blood vessels from deep within.
next is the red onion. Beyond providing a rich source of vitamins to bolster the immune system, it possesses natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. For the red onion, we'll dice it into very fine cubes. First, make close vertical slices along the onion. Then rotate it and cut across with a steady hand to create tiny, uniform dice. A crucial tip to remember: the more finely you dice the onion, the more effectively its vital nutrients, particularly sulfur compounds and antioxidants, are fully released during the cooking process. Furthermore, they play a key role in helping the body balance blood sugar levels. As shared by Dr. Eric Berg,
these are one of nature's richest sources of quercetin. This isn't just your average antioxidant. It's a potent flavonoid that directly targets arterial stiffness. Quercetin works by protecting the delicate endothelial lining of your blood vessels, keeping them flexible and resilient, which ensures optimal blood flow throughout your body.
Next, we will need a head of garlic. Peel it thoroughly to prepare for the next critical step. Garlic has long been celebrated for its ability to kill harmful bacteria, cleanse blood vessels, and powerfully reinforce our immune system's defenses. After peeling, crush the cloves lightly and let them sit in the air for a few minutes before cooking. This is the secret to maximizing allicin activation, turning garlic into a potent natural antibiotic. Garlic has long been celebrated for its ability to kill harmful bacteria, cleanse blood vessels, and powerfully reinforce our immune system's defenses. Pour 500 milliliters of water into a pot. And bring it to a boil. Stir in 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, making sure it dissolves completely without any clumps. Let the mixture simmer for exactly 5 minutes. This is the golden window that allows the ingredients to release their full potency while preserving heat-sensitive vitamins. This powerful blend is designed to boost brain function, sharpen your focus, and build a rock-solid immune defense for your entire body. Once you're done simmering, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to get that clear, golden liquid, and discard the solids. To elevate the flavor and give it a nutrient kick, you can add some fresh lemon and honey to taste. As for storage, pour the mixture into a clean glass jar and seal it tightly to prevent oxidation. Be sure to keep it refrigerated to maintain the freshness and the healing potency of these powerful ingredients. With just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you've created a powerful elixir for your body. Make this a part of your daily routine and feel the positive transformation from within. Stay healthy, stay sharp, and stay energized. Don't forget to share this recipe with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next health tip.